Hey folks, welcome back. It's Friday. I got most of my mowing done. I've got a little bit left to do. I can finish that up on Sunday. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. But I took advantage of the twilight hour and I managed to catch 4 nice bluegill. So I'm going to clean these up and have fish for supper. Stay tuned. My fishes are cleaned and they're soaking in salt water right now. So they're going to soak for a little while, and I'll get the mess cleaned up in the sink from cleaning them and get the oven started and start my supper. Okay, the fish have soaked and I've got them on a pan wrapped with aluminum foil, and I put olive oil on the pan, and then I coated the fish with olive oil, and then I seasoned them with Old Bay seasoning. So I'm going to get the oven fired up and start cooking. No campfire tonight, so I've got a fire in the fireplace. There's a pretty good chance of rain a little after 9 o'clock tonight, so just me, myself, and I tonight, enjoying some cabin time. Well, fish are done. Looks like they're stuck down just a little bit. That's alright. Not a big deal. It's better than being a whole lot stuck down. And then I got some carrots. Oh, this is gonna be good eating. Gonna be good eating. Carrots and bluegill. Yep, life is good. Well, the temperature has dropped considerably. Looks like there's rain coming in. I'm out in the shack, and I was fishing off the front porch of the shack, and I caught a couple of nice, a nice bluegill and a couple of small bass. Nothing worth keeping really. The bluegill is, but the bass isn't. So I decided to move inside and use the catch cover and fish through the hole in the floor, and got my first fish through the hole. Little bass, threw it back, and I just caught a second one, a nice bluegill, so I'm going to keep it. So hey, it's going to turn out to be a great day after all. Okay, fourth fish through the catch cover. Another bluegill. This one is not a keeper either. It's a small one, but hey, you know what? As long as they're biting, I'm going to keep fishing. This is a lot of fun. It's raining out. Not pouring anymore, but it was. But I'm sitting inside and fishing. It's great. I'm loving it. Okay, I just caught another fish through the catch cover. And this is supposed to be an ice fishing shack, but when the ice is on, this shack is not movable, and they're not in the shallow water like they are now. They're moving in for the spawn. But anyway, 3 fish through the catch cover. First time catching anything through the catch cover. And I'm using this rod that I picked up for ice fishing at the local farm supply store, and that's the first time I've caught anything with it. So it's still raining. I've caught 2 of the fish while it's been raining, sitting inside here, so it's going really well. The first one I caught was prior to the rain, but hey, I'm liking this. Okay, 4th fish through the catch cover. Another bluegill. This one is not a keeper either. It's a small one, but hey, you know what? As long as they're biting, I'm going to keep fishing. This is a lot of fun. It's raining out. Not pouring anymore, but it was. But I'm sitting inside and fishing. It's great. I'm loving it. Surprise, surprise. I caught a crappie. Right through that hole right there. Ha! Wow. Not a bad day after all. And it's still raining. Well, I put the catch cover back in place so that I can walk on it without falling through, without tripping, without hurting myself. It has quit raining. It's turning into a bright, sunshiny day. And I was able to pull 5 fish out of that basement hole. So, yeah, it's been a pretty good day. Spent 2 hours inside fishing while it was raining, and I was catching, and all is well. All is well. Well, it's Sunday. I got my final property mowed, headed back home. I got to spend a little bit of time Saturday night at Kyle's property. Kyle and his dad and his father-in-law were turkey hunting. So I went over and they invited me to a campfire. So I went over and spent a couple hours with them. Had a good time. Nice visit. It was nice to meet his father-in-law. I knew his father-in-law's dad many, many years ago. And I knew his older brother, in-law's brother. But I had never met his father-in-law. So it was kind of interesting to meet him, visit with him and Kyle and Kyle's dad. And so, hey, all in all, it's been a good weekend. Really good weekend. I caught a nice batch of fish. Got to spend some shack time. Got to get out on the lake and do some canoeing and some fishing with the canoe. Found out where all the bass are. The bass are spawning. But, yeah, it's been good. Anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Thanks for watching.